Creating a positive self-image can sometimes be hard, especially because sometimes we are our own worst critics. Hi, I'm Pedro Hernandez and welcome to the MindFlex Minute. If this is your first time watching the MindFlex Minute, welcome. Now make sure you watch the other videos that also include workouts, recipes, and more. Now the goal for the MindFlex Minute is to help you increase your awareness and mental conditioning in order for you to achieve any goal that you may have in mind. The trick about creating a positive self-image first starts by recognizing all the positive things that you have and all the positive things that you are. Second is to be indiscriminate about deleting all the negative self-talk and thoughts that you may have that may come from you and may come from others. You have to be able to delete, and start fresh. Think about this. If you were to write a letter, you wouldn't write a letter on a piece of paper with writing on it. You would start fresh. You would start with a blank piece of paper. And that's exactly what we want to do. We want to start fresh. And so what I want you to do is take a blank piece of paper and write down all those negative self-thoughts that you have, all the negative self-talks that you may tell yourself or that you may hear as others say about you. Write those negative things down. Once you have them down, I want you to take that piece of paper, rip it up, and throw it out. Those things are now out of your mind and onto paper and onto the trash where they belong. So that is your first step. Now that you have completed that step, then I want you to take another piece of paper and write down all the positive things that you are and that you have, and even the things that you want to be that are positive. Put those down on a piece of paper. Now make sure that all these things are in the present tense. We are creating a positive self-image. So there are not things that you will be, but those are things that you are. So you have to affirm that you are those things. And third, it is very important for you to take action, to be an active participant in everything that you do. Those things that you wrote down cannot just be mere words. They are actually a blueprint for you to live life by. So every day as you wake up and as you go throughout the day, you need to live those things out. Whatever it is that you wrote, live those things out. If it's being positive or being generous or being kind or being strong or being healthy or fit, you need to exemplify those things. That is who you are, and that is how you start creating a positive self-image. Because we either live life by our own design or by default. So it is always better when we have a say as to how we want our lives to be. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click a like if you found this video helpful.